Artificial intelligence is everywhere today, from chatbots to search engines. But how do systems like ChatGPT actually work? And how do they stay updated with real-time information? Let's break it down with LLMs and RAG. What is an LLM? LLM stands for Large Language Model. Think of it as a brain trained on billions of words, books, and websites. It learns patterns in language so it can answer questions, write essays, or even generate code. But here's the catch. Once training is done, its knowledge is frozen. It can't automatically know today's news or live data. What is RAG? RAG means Retrieval Augmented Generation. Imagine asking a question. Instead of guessing from memory, the AI searches a database or the web, retrieves the latest information, and then uses the LLM to generate a clear answer. It's like combining Google search with ChatGPT in one system. Going to explain architecture asterisk, the RAG pipeline works in 3 steps. Retrieve, find relevant information from documents or live data. Augment, feed that information into the LLM. Generate, the LLM produces a final answer that blends its language skills with the retrieved facts. So the LLM is the brain, and RAG is the memory refresh. Asterisk first, real-world application. Weather. Suppose you ask, what's the latest weather in Chennai? A normal LLM might guess. But with RAG, the system retrieves live weather data, passes it to the LLM, and generates a natural answer like, it's 32 degrees Celsius with light rain in Chennai today. That's real-time intelligence. Another real-world application, customer support. Banks and companies use RAG in customer support. Without RAG, a chatbot might give outdated answers. With RAG, it retrieves the latest policy documents, facts, or your account info, and explains them clearly in natural language. Customers get accurate, up-to-date help instantly. Concluding, so here's the takeaway. LLMs are the language brain, RAG is the memory refresh. Together, they make AI smarter, reliable, and connected to the real world. This is the future of AI architecture, blending knowledge with live data. Subscribe now for more AI-related information reshaping everyday life.